Tangles less, cares more. W3050 Wobble Technology by Samsung. Wobble technology cares for fabric by reducing the tangling of clothes. The diamond drum minimizes damage by preventing clothes from getting caught. W3050's central digital inverter motor continuously rotates, plus enhances energy efficiency. It's also durable and strong, and built to last for longer. Beautiful round-edge design with perfect curves. A dual cluster control panel with separately divided preset courses for left and right sides. Ergonomically designed slanted control panel. Samsung W3050 with Wobble technology.